Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and the channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 27th and our devotion is called Healing Words. Careless words stab like a sword, but wise words brings healing. Proverbs 12:18. Words can cut deeply. Isn't it amazing how many of us struggle to remember a phone number, but we can perfectly recall a string of harsh words spoken to us years ago? Throughout the Bible, God characterizes a person of wisdom as one of few words. Perhaps this is because a careless word can do so much damage. None of us can deny that words carry power. They can easily leave a mark that is not quickly erased. Holy Spirit, I know that I don't always carefully watch what I say, so please remind me instantly when I'm about to say something that is not good. Let wise and kind words come from my mouth today. Nighttime. We can't understand the power of our words. Wait a minute. We cannot underestimate the power of our words. The beautiful thing about this verse is that it reminds us that wise words bring healing. If you have spoken careless words today, you have the power to bring healing with new words of wisdom. If you have been pained by someone else's words, turn to the wisest words ever written, the scriptures, to bring healing to the scars of your own heart. The question of the day: are you hurt from unkind words? Do you need to be forgiven for saying something unkind? Bring it all to Jesus in heartfelt prayer. I like this. I like this devotion. As kids, we were taught this saying: sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me. That is the worst thing you can ever teach your kids. Because, yes, sticks and stones may break your bones, but you can heal from that. But harsh, mean, hateful words is something that is very hard to get over. And like this says, you remember them for years. And I know this firsthand. As growing up, kids would say harsh things to me. My stepfather would say mean things to me. My ex-husband, my ex-boyfriends, they've all been, they have all said nasty things to me. And to this day, I still can almost recall every one of them. I'm working on that. I'm working to get over that. What I can say is, I think because of that, I try not to say harsh things to people. I might think them, but I try not to let them come out of my mouth. Because every time a harsh thing comes into my mouth, the first thing that comes to my mind is, how would you feel if someone said that to you? And then I completely change it. And I think that is one of God's ways of trying to make me a better person. Because he always puts that thought in my head. Before something nasty comes out of my mouth, the thought comes, how would you feel if someone said it to you? So then I either don't say anything or I say something nice. Because I know how hurtful words can be. So before the next time you say something nasty or unkind or mean to somebody, stop and think. How would you feel if someone said those words to you? I want to thank you all today for watching. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone or anything steal your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.